Thiruvavaranam, Commissioner of the Travancore Devaswam Board, K.S. Baiju. This seems to be a development that has now taken place over this investigation that has now led to several big revelations in this gold heist or in this gold chori as far as the Sabrimala shrine is concerned. Let's connect with Arpita over this. Arpita, how are we looking at this latest arrest that has now been made?
Well, yesterday SIT made its fourth arrest in the Sabrimala case, where they have arrested K.S. Baiju, who is the former Thiruvavaranam Commissioner of the temple. Now, what SIT is saying is that in 2019, when the Dwarapalga idols were dismantled and handed over to the sponsor in 2019, the Thiruvavaranam Commissioner is responsible to be there at the time when all of this is happening, but he was absent at that moment, and what SIT believes is that it was a deliberate attempt done to just divert the issue. So that is why now SIT suspects him and they have arrested him. In fact, he is the seventh accused in the case. Earlier, SIT had arrested three others. First one is the main accused, that is Unnikrishnan Poti. The second arrest was made former administrative officer Murari Babu, and the third arrest was former Sabrimala executive officer D. Sudesh's arrest. With K.S. Baiju's arrest, this is the fourth arrest that SIT has made in the case so far. What SIT is saying is that in coming days, more arrests are likely to happen, because remember when High Court had said that this looks like a deeper conspiracy, SIT is now investigating from higher officials to lower officials, all of them involved in the Devaswam officials. So what SIT is saying is that in coming days, more arrests are likely to happen.
All right, more arrests likely to happen. This is the fourth arrest that has now taken place on part of the SIT crime branch, which is now arrested the former Thiruvavaranam Commissioner of the Travancore Devaswam Board, K.S. Baiju. This seems to be another development there. Arpita, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.